Hello, I'm here, I'm John, and here's Tads. And so we're here in Covington, Texas. So Tads bought a set of printers right now. This is the 2405 with a shaker. And so this time, we are charging the DTF ink already to the printer. So the next step now is to install the driver. So the first thing you do while waiting for the ink to charge, we put the USB cable at the back of the printer. So Angela will show it to you over there. Okay? And this one, we'll put it in the USB. Okay? So the first thing, Taj, you operate that, you go to the website of McLaud Technology. Open a browser. McLaudtechnology.com. So you go to the support and there's a printer driver. Okay, go to, support here, then printer driver. You go there and your printer is Epson 7890.
Oh.
That's it. Just don't click it, just hover it.